UNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Zweli Mkhize uthe bazosicubungula isinqumo seNkantolo futhi bangase basiphosele inselele. INkantolo ephakeme eseNingizimu yeGoli inqume ukuthi ayihambisani nomthetho sisekelo, imigomo elawula isigaba sesine nesithathu seLockdown. Inqumele iCabinet amasonto amabili ukubukeza lemthetho. Ongoti bezemthetho bathi iNkantolo igagamelile.
Ukuwohla komnotho kanye nokulahleka kwemisebenzi ngezinye izizathu ebeziholele ekutheni ezinye izakhamuzi zikuthathe njengokunyathelwa kwamalungelo azo ukulawulwa kwe-lockdown. Kungenzeka futhi ukuthi lesi yisona sizathu esenze iLiberty Fighters Network yanikela eNkantolo kuyophosela uhulumeni inselele. INkantolo ibeyisiyalela ithimba loNgqongqoshe elithintekayo kuba libukeze bese lichibiyela imigomo ye-lockdown eliyichaze njengengaphusile. Ephendula kulokhu uNgqongqoshe wezempilo uthe okubathokozisayo ukunikwa izinsuku eziyishumi zokucubungula kuphanyiswe iNkantolo futhi bangase basiphosele inselele isinqumo.
For the rest of the government, we will be studying, but we also need to probably look at whether we can appeal or how we can get them rectified. What I think was good is that there is a period of 14 days which has been made available for us to try and correct the situation. All in all, everything that has been done in order to try and assist in the containment of the infection, and where we think that it needs to be clarified properly, it needs to be done, but also where we think that there needs to be changes in the approach, we need to consider that.
Ungoti womthetho Prof Richard Khalandi uthi ngokwakhe iNkantolo igagamelile yaze yagamanqa.
What's curious, however, is that the main finding, as I say, is that the judge has said that there is no rational connection between the decision and the means by which the decision was reached, the decision-making process, in other words, and the end that is the objective of the regulations.
Njengoba iCabinet inikwe izinsuku eziyishumi ukucubungula imigomo ye-lockdown, lokhu kusho ukuthi isigaba sesithathu se-lockdown sisesemthethweni.